That was an RSI breakthrough. I really thought that was going to work, and I think it still might. It was a 30-second, it was a 1 minute RSI. It broke through in the 30. It really needs to go up. That was really, I mean, if this loses, I'm back where I started again because I took a compound, and look at that. Oh man, that's a terrible, terrible loss. So let's see if we can go again. Just a trashy loss right there. My computer had frozen up, so I had to start going on another thing. Hey, we meet up here every day, and I show you real-life binary options trading. Please take a moment, hit the subscribe button. If you do that, I promise I'll work hard to make this channel bigger and better with every single episode. I have some great news. For a limited time, you can join the Music City Trader Tribe absolutely free. All you have to do is open your pocket option account using my affiliate link and make your first deposit. And I'll send you 2 trading strategy ebooks and my latest trading sheets. So don't wait any longer. Go to musiccitytrader.com and click on Join the Tribe. I'm going to take this off the 1 minute here. Let's see what this will do. Oh, that's the 10 seconds. All right. So just a bum luck. A 51 was a compound that lost. So there was a win, I believe, on a 27 here. Let's see if there was a win on a 27. And then I took a compound and lost it. So it's not great because I'm losing some compounds, but I had less chances. I started out with less chances. So let's hope I win this one. It's going to go back up from here. This is 30 seconds. There you go. That's nice. That's really, really nice. It's really nice. And I think if this wins, and if I think it's going to go back up, I might just go for it. Let's see. It's tight though. Look how tight it is. Oh, it needs to win. And maybe I'll just bank this win because I haven't been banking wins. But that's in the 1 minute candle. Just looks like it wants to win. It wants to win. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. And that is a win. A very narrow, very, very narrow, close win. I think I'm going to stop the compounding because I'm losing like every other trade. You see, I've gotten 27 win, 51 loss, 27. I did that a couple times. So that's what this is. So if I can get above this, I think it's actually going to try to go back up again. But it's kind of messing around, so I'm going to look for one more little spot here. All right, so now I'm in on this. This is a 30-second, a 1 minute trade on a big 30-second turnaround. This would be the first double up or compound that I win if I win this. So this was a win. We'll call this a compound that hopefully will win. It looks like it's going to win 40 seconds. That's a huge, huge turnaround. In the 30 seconds, look how huge that is. So if it doesn't have like a big, giant bounce up, that'll be fine. Let's look at it in 10 seconds just to get, okay, I think it's going to bounce up a little bit, but I don't, if it just holds in this little area for a little bit, that's fine. What I want it to do is just hold right there in this area. Just kind of hank around right there. We'll have a win. We'll have 97. So yeah, we'll have 1603 or something like that. That's a good little profit for today, and I can feel like I'm almost there. I did have that loss yesterday, and that's why I was kind of pushing some double ups on these today. So look at that win, 1602. So 1602 is there, and it started at 1563, and it's I've been up to 1611, then I had some losses. We can try for one more, 2750. Yeah, that's probably going to go back up there because it stayed in that box, and now it's probably going to head back up. But let's just check because this chart could be tricking me. You never know. It stayed in that box right down there for a little while. What do I think it's going to do? It could return to that box. That looks unstable to take another trade. I just need, if I do one more trade, because right now, if I look at my thing, I'm at 1602. So I'm up 2.5%. Pretty good actually, but the charts are moving kind of moving in my favor, even though, you know, I've lost some trades. They're kind of moving in my favor. It's 5. That's the 10 minute. It's going all the way down. Let's look at this. Kind of hitting a bottom there. It's got some levels, not anything major. It's got some mess around levels right here. This is actually a mess around level right here. It's actually a box, so I don't draw boxes very much, but this right here is kind of a box, kind of a mess around box. It's got like a bottom and a top. But if I look at that in 1 minute, yeah, see, it looks like it could consolidate here. Yeah, it looks like it could go down there, but it's already been in that box and it's turning around in the 30 seconds. So yeah, there's a lot going on here. There's a big level right here that it broke through, and now it's trying to return, but it did break through. Okay, it did break through that level. And then it's got a box. So nothing jumps out at me like perfect on this, other than it's a pretty big downtrend. Oh, that looks good. What's that? 1 minute. Second 30. Yeah, RSI touch, but I don't know. It's bouncing a lot right now. It's going down here, hitting that. That bounced off there. Okay, I took this one kind of high on the 30 second, but I took it on a RSI break on the 1 minute. Kind of gutsy, but it had broken up. I mean, it was up there kind of high, but it's kind of gutsy. But I do think that now it's kind of like, maybe it does want to, maybe it doesn't. Look at 10 seconds. It's kind of like, you know, the bottom line of it's down here. Hopefully it doesn't keep consolidating. It's got 30 seconds left. And I lost a couple trades like this today, kind of being on the wrong side of that turnaround, but I think it could jump. It's got 30 seconds, and it was a 1 minute RSI break. It was a complete RSI break, but bouncing. Look at that RSI break. It's 100% perfect. 17 seconds. Will it break up? This would be a great win. This would be a great win to end my session, get some good profit. 11 seconds, kind of bouncy. Kind of bouncy. The charts are bouncy, though. Let's see if it bounces up. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Come on, bounce up. Come on, give me a bounce. Oh, just barely under. Yeah, see, barely under. 1575. So that was a loss. So 1575. Now it looks like it wants to break. I don't want to get juked on this, but it is look like an RSI break. It does look like one, but again, it's sort of hovering up there. Look at it. It did do it. It did do it. It did break above. It shot way up. It's messing around up there. I'm going to take 2 minutes off the top. In terms of this in the 5 minute, it really did break through, but it's wanting to turn. It's got almost a cross here in the stochastic down, and I took a 2 minute. So I took a little bit longer trade. Just to see if it'll actually go down. Had a lot of up pressure. It was an RSI. It was an RSI break there. So this one can win, and I can take all of that money if I want to and put it on a total turnaround. Let's see if it is going to be a total turnaround. I mean, it's up there. Look how high it is. It doesn't really have any levels. It's kind of up here and all this dinky levels up here. I don't know. It's really not been that high. It's fighting there. That was whatever you want to call it, an engulfing candle. Now I have to wait because I want to take this double up here. I want to take this compound on the fall. I think it's going to fall. But yeah, see, look, it's tricky. It's playing around with this level up here. 43 seconds. It's got a box happening, and it could break out of this box right here. 30 seconds. 30 seconds going. Let's see if it's going to break out of this box. I don't think so. I think it's going to shoot back down. There, it's got some candle pressure there, but very volatile, so I won't take another trade on this. I won't actually double this up. I'm going to take my double out off off the table so I don't accidentally double it up. Hopefully this can win and I can get another 50 profit. So I'll be at 1,600 and something. Oh man, look at that. Darn. Come on. There you go. I need this to hold there for 5 more seconds. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Oh, there's 2, there's 1, and there's a loss. Look at that. Look at that loss. I'm going to take this again. Should have taken it at the top. Now we're back a little bit below where we started. I do think this is going to drop. It's just too far up there. If it breaks through, let's look at the 5. There isn't a level up here, and it really does want to drop. It looks like it will drop from here. It will drop from here. We got 30 seconds here. Yeah, it's still playing. I got kind of a trash position when it lost. I should have hit it up there. And I risk this right here, but I think as it goes ahead and goes down, if it breaks below that line in the 10-second, I'm going to take my double up right here. If it shoots below this line right here, 6, 5, 4, 3. Oh no, again. Okay, so I'm gonna take a 1 minute on this top line. That was another loss. Man, these charts are just trashing me now. So 1469. I'm just a little above my stop loss at this point. So if this wins, I'll be at 1569 because that was honestly, that was a makeup. It's a 30-second makeup. I'm really playing off that line. That's in the 10-second. Let's look at 30 seconds. I'll watch this in 30 seconds. This is a very strong upward moving 20 seconds on here. There we go. I need this to hold down. Watch this. I need this to hold down. It's got a flag on it, which bothers me. It's got 11 seconds. It's got 8 seconds, 7 seconds. There you go. There you go. Hold down, baby. Hold down, hold down, hold down. Come on, come on. There. Yes. Oh, man. I think that I have one more trade left in this set. I'm going to have to get off this chart. This chart's trash. All right, I'm in this last trade here. I went down there. I'm going off these indicators. It looks like this is going to go down. It looks like it's going to push down. It has pushed down. It's gone to a kind of a lower level. I've got 40 seconds. Man, these charts have been beating me up today. Just they're kind of jumpy back and forth. And this one could beat me again too. This one could beat me. It could be a second day of loss. It's just very upsetting. But it's okay. Let's look at this in 10 seconds and see where my position was. Yeah, this has got 18 seconds. It's just jumpy. I'll be surprised if this wins. I think this will be a loss. I'll be surprised if this can push down in that amount of time. If it's got 8 seconds left. I mean, if it wins, I'll be like a miracle. If it loses, then I'm just going to know that today was just not a lucky day. There, look at that. Oh yeah, that was a win. 1494. All right. All right, so I'm still down quite a bit from where I was. I'm not making progress. I'm actually not making progress at all. That's in the 30 seconds. See, the charts are just kind of jumpy. And this is a 1 minute RSI touch with a turnaround. I'm going to take this. I've won quite a few turnarounds. It's got an RSI break here, which means it's got pressure. But in the 1 minute, it really hit hard. All right, looks like I'm actually going to be in the big money right here. This is going to be a good turnaround. So maybe the turnarounds will win me. Maybe I just find a couple more good, really solid turnarounds and I can make this profit back. And look at that. Such a beautiful, beautiful turnaround. Look at that. Another win. All right, 15.19. And I'll try to go for another one of those in a minute. All right, looks like I'm in. Now, this is a pattern that I see often. It hit this bottom right here, hit it again right here. And as it came and approached it again right here, I think it has pressure to make it all the way down. So hopefully I'm right. Hopefully this will be a good win. It is bouncing a little bit back, but we got 30 seconds. So yeah, this has to keep pushing. It wasn't really an RSI touch. It might have touched there, but when I pushed through with this trade, I was going based on it breaking down this strong level. It hit it once here, hit it once here, and now it's holding down there. And in the 1 minute, you can see it did the same thing. Hit, and held. It's got 7 seconds. Hopefully I can win this trade. 4, 3, 2. Yep, there we go. And that's another win. That is another awesome win. All right, gutsy trade. But on the 10-second trade, it looks like what's going to happen is it's going to hit that line finally and break through. Now look at the pressure hit here. This is the same line that I just traded on a minute ago. Kind of hit there, busted through. And then on this one, it kind of went up. I said, yeah, I want to rebound. But then I'm seeing that it's going to break through again. And in the 10-second, it really did kind of shoot through there. There's 30 seconds. It's kind of like a push down. Now, if this wins, I'll have 1594. I'll actually have some pretty good profit, and I might have to stop because I kind of keep teetering back and forth. And this could go either way. So, I mean, this is either in the profit or out of the profit in 16 seconds. Man, I took it on the 10-second thinking that it was actually going to push through there, and now it's just going crazy in the wrong direction. So hopefully this can win. In 5 seconds, it tells me I want to push back down, but it doesn't. It doesn't look like it's going to, and it's another loss. Darn it. And it is going to push back down there. But I think I'm going to stop doing this chart right here because it's kind of just getting me, it's kind of messing with me. See, it's wanting to go. Like, is it going to break? When is it going to break? Is it going to break now? Is it going to break now? And it's finally like, yeah, it might break. It's going to have an RSI touch. And I think it is going to go ahead and break, so I'm going to take one more trade. I'm still well above my stop loss here. I'm looking at this in the open and close trades. I had a 27 and a 51, a 27-1. So I had 3 wins in a row, which were really great. And then I took that profit off that trade right there, and I traded it, and so I lost it. So it was like I had a trade, a win, a loss. That's really what happens when you compound. And I'm not doing great today compounding. It's just not working out really good. All right, guys, and that is it for today. It's going to be it because I hit my stop loss, and you saw I bounced under it just a little bit, and I kept going, should have stopped, and then I just kept going. Day 17 is a loss, and so I'm just going to let it be right there. Let it be what it is and move on to day number 18 tomorrow. Hey, no matter where you are right now in your journey, you can become a profitable binary options trader. All it takes is a simple trading strategy to win trades and the ability to stick with your plan. But it's easier said than done, especially if you're trying to do this alone. But now you don't have to do this alone. Right now, you can go to MusicCityTrader.com and join me in a tribe of dedicated traders. We're on a journey together, and there's room for you today. You'll get all access to the exclusive Trading Tribe app where you can post your progress, share your wins and losses, learn what's working from other traders, and you'll get exclusive trading sheets, strategy guides, trading journal downloads, and more. You can even participate in my special live trading sessions and even copy my trades right inside Pocket Option using the social trade feature. Go to MusicCityTrader.com and join the Trader Tribe today. Success is within reach, and you're not alone. Click and join today at MusicCityTrader.com.